poppy flower, so deceivingly fair, a killer in disguise with beauty beyond compare. Your sinful smile, a deadly siren's call, luring victims to their fall. You're a murderer, oh poppy flower, leaving death and sorrow in your hour. White petals stained with innocent blood, merciless and cruel as you should. Your bastard sons, a poisonous breed, polluting the air with deadly seed. Their addiction spreads like wildfire's flame, leaving lives destroyed and endless shame. You're a murderer, oh poppy flower, leaving death and sorrow in your hour. White petals stained with innocent blood, merciless and cruel as you should. You're a murderer, oh poppy flower, leaving death and sorrow in your hour. White petals stained with innocent blood, merciless and cruel as you should. Your bastard sons, a poisonous breed, polluting the air with deadly seed. Their addiction spreads like wildfire's flame, leaving lives destroyed and endless shame. Guns and missiles bought with your dark gold kill our brothers and our children cold. Drone bombings rain from the distant sky, but our courage remains. We won't deny. Our hearts beat strong for our motherland's sake. Your wealth means nothing, our love will never break. You may be rich, but we have pride and might. Our love for freedom shines like a beacon light. You're a murderer, oh poppy flower, leaving death and sorrow in your hour.